In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate or insert a tick or cross mark on Microsoft Excel. Adding tick and cross icons in Excel is a great way to make your spreadsheets visually intuitive. Instead of just seeing numbers, you can immediately recognize success or failure, completed tasks, or any binary data at a glance. This method enhances clarity and gives your spreadsheet a more professional appearance. To begin, highlight the range of cells where you want the tick and cross marks to appear. Consider the areas where visual indicators can help convey the information more clearly, such as task completion columns or yes/no data points. Once your range is selected, navigate to the Home tab at the top of Excel. Among the formatting options, find Conditional Formatting on the right side of the ribbon and click it. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule to begin setting up the icons. In the New Formatting Rule window, choose the option labeled Format All Cells based on their values. This setting allows Excel to automatically display different icons depending on the cell values you enter. Next, locate the Format Style drop-down menu and select Icon Sets. Make sure to check the box that says Show Icon Only. By enabling this option, only the icons will be displayed, hiding the numbers themselves and creating a clean, focused look. For the icon style, you can stick with the default options Excel provides, as they include useful symbols. Click on the first icon and change it to a tick mark, selecting the style that best suits your preference. For the second icon, select a cross mark, and for the third, choose No Cell Icon. This ensures no additional symbols clutter your spreadsheet. Now it's time to set the conditions. By default, Excel uses percentages, but for this setup, change the type for both conditions to number. Then assign a value of 1 to the tick mark and a value of 0 to the cross mark. This means any cell containing 1 or higher will show a tick, while a cell containing 0 will display a cross. After setting all parameters, click OK to apply the rule. Your spreadsheet is now ready. Enter some 1s and 0s within the selected range and watch as the tick and cross icons appear dynamically. This setup not only improves understanding, but also adds a polished, professional touch to your Excel sheets. Using tick and cross marks in this way can significantly enhance your data visualization, making your spreadsheets easier to read and interpret quickly. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate the presentation of your information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.